Hi there, Peter Brymer here, Aquatic Lifestyles. Now, I'd just like to show you a project we've just finished off here. It's a nice little pondless waterfall. The setting for it was amazing, so I'll take you down and give you a look. Now this is not it here, but this is a little feature we put in as well at the same time. A bit wet today. This is our feature over here. We had an absolutely awesome setting to build it in. Now we're a bit limited on space, so down under here we've got aqua cells going all the way up under the stream. That's the stream built over the top of them to get enough reservoir, enough volume in the reservoir. I've also put autofill on this job. As you can see, the fernery and the setting is just perfect for this kind of waterfall.